Kasi syempre, iba pa rin yung talagang...
So, yung tanong ko sa'yo, yung happiness na nararamdaman niya yun, hindi pa rin sapat na dahilan niya para tanggapin mo. Hindi ko sinasabing mali, sagutin mo lang. Hindi pa rin.
Hindi ko
Gusto mo siya ng normal na buhay, parang gano'n.
Oo, hindi ko pa rin tanggap siya.
Okay, may sinabi ka kanina na hindi naman siya makikinig kasi panganay siya.
Oo.
Eh, kaya lang, kapag mga ganyang sitwasyon, meron pa bang edad na tinatanong? I think wala na, di ba? Kung kapamilya ka nila, kamag-anak, kailangan siguro sabihin mo na yung gusto mong sabihin, yung opinion mo. Regardless ng edad, sino man ang mas matanda, mas bata, siguro kailangan mo nang sabihin sa kanya bilang kapatid. Huwag mo nang isipin matanda ang bata, ganyan.
Yun nga yung inisip ko baka naman kasi isang dahilan lang yun kaya siya nakapagrelasyon. Dahil sa problema niya dun sa naging...
ex-husband niya.
Oo, naghahanap lang ng ano.
Okay, naniniwala kasi ako si Jenny, kaya gusto niyang sabihin doon sa kapatid niya ang suggestion niya dahil naniniwala ka, tama ang nasa isip mo, tama?
Oo, Papa Bear.
Okay, kung hindi mo itatry muna sabihin bago ka mag-judge, walang mangyayari.
Yun nga kaya lang kasi ayaw ko nga siyang pangunahan dahil sa nakikita kong sitwasyon niya.
Tapos sabi mo kanina, okay naman sila, masaya naman, di ba? Nagbibigaya naman, and tanggap yung mga anak, tama?
Yun nga yung kasi iba pa rin yan talagang pamilya na, di ba?
Pero Jay, naniniwala naman ako na nararamdaman na ng ate mo yung pag-ayaw mo sa sitwasyon niya. Kahit hindi mo sabihin, for sure, bilang kapatid nararamdaman niya na hindi ganun yung mga reaction niyo, hindi kayo receptive, hindi niyo tanggap, di ba? Ramdam naman niya yun Pero kung sa palagay mo, kailangan mo sabihin mo na bilang kapatid. Minsan kailangan magka-galit-galit, minsan dumarating talaga sa point ng buhay natin kahit magkapatid tayo, magkakaiba tayo ng mga tingin sa buhay. Ganun talaga nangyayari yan. Ngayon, gawin mo na yung gusto mo sa palagay mo yung tama para nasabi mo sa sarili mo, ginawa mo yung part mo bilang kapatid.
Katulad dito, against
pero hindi naman siguro parang nanghihimasok ako sa kanila.
Of course not. Bilang kapatid yan. Kasi kahit anong gawin natin, hindi mo mapipigilang hindi mag-react, di ba?
Kasi lumalabas talagang against ka sa ganyang relationship. Same-sex relationship. Pero try ka pa rin na iparating sa kanya yung nasa utak mo dahil may karapatan ka doon dahil alam mong nagke-care ka sa kapatid mo.
At saka syempre pag nakisama siya doon, makikisama ka rin doon, di ba? Kasi kamag-anak ka nung karelasyon niya. So ibig sabihin makikisama ka rin, kaya siguro may kailangan mo rin sabihin yung nararamdaman mo. Pero sa uli bilang mas matanda sa kanya, mas matanda siya sa'yo, pag nasabi mo na lahat, sa palagay ko respeto mo naman yung desisyon niya.
So, i-accept ko na lang kung sakaling kung ano may naman.
Pero i-try mo muna. I-try mo muna sabihin yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi tama yung sabi ni Papa Bear na maganda naman yung iniisip mo. Para sa kanya yon, di ba? Pero yung nararamdaman niya ngayon, hindi mo naiintindihan. Yan ang unang masasabi ko sa'yo, no? Magkaiba kayo ng nararamdaman ngayon. So, intindihin mo lang muna kung kailangan na mahaba pang unawa, kailangan din ang ate mo yun.
So it's okay na tama yung sabi mo, i-accept na lang kung anong mangyayari, pero nandun pa rin na ipakita mo sa kanya na you care para sa iyong kapatid.
Kayo, ganyan din yung sinasabi nila Moy Palaboy.
Si Moy Palaboy.
Si Kervin tsaka si Aldrich nakikinig ngayon. Ay, doon kay Papa Jeffrey.
Okay.
At sa caller daw natin.
Okay. So thank you so much, Jenny. Sana nakatulong ang Talk to Papa sa'yo.
Yes, thank you, Papa.
Okay, and
salamat.
Don't forget to wash your body, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Let's ask Jeffrey, sa palagay mo, yung sister daw niya, meron ng relasyon, happens to be lesbian.
Yes.
Anong reaction mo dyan?
What's your opinion
Senyor
about that?
Jeffrey.
Senyor?
The Englishman from Temple. Lesbian.
Yeah.
Oh,
very hard?
Yeah.
Or very deep?
Yeah.
Okay, express. Whatever is that.
My feelings.
Yeah. What can you say? Kahit ano, sabihin mo.
To Jenny.
To Jenny.
You do your part to your sister.
Okay.
That's why your sister is not realize that you are very good to him.
Okay. Yes.
Leave it.
Leave it. So,
Yeah.
this
Give it.
is-
That is my own opinion,
Yeah.
Because everybody has a different emotion and feelings.
Tama.
So what's the difference between emotion and feelings?
They are same.
They are safe.
Yeah. Emotion or feelings. I'm sorry for the wrong grammar.
No, it's okay. Walang wrong grammar dito.
But I was surprised, Papa.
Why? Why?
You know why? Look at texter number 330.
Where is that?
330. Can
Okay.
you read it for us, Papa Bear?
Well, I will. Oh my, please say to Jeffrey. Okay, verbatim to ha. Ano nakasulat? Binabasa po natin, ano? Please say to Jeffrey, thanks for loving me. Happy 5th monthsary. And advance happy Valentine's. I love you so much. Thanks from Ian Fraps, Jeffrey's fiancé.
Oh.
So,
Yan ba talaga yung number ng fiancé mo?
Yeah, that is her number.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
She's listening right now.
She's listening right
Okay.
now. Me?
Yeah.
Of course, I allowed you. You will go there and I will listen.
Nice, nice. So,
Ganyan din siya magsalita sa'yo? Ganyan din?
No,
sometimes.
Who speak better English? You or your girlfriend?
but as of now,
As of now,
now,
moment, yeah.
at this moment, she's very good at speaking English.
More correct than you.
Oh, more correct, more correct. But, accepting the truth,
Yeah.
I'm the teacher of her.
Ah, you're the
Accepting
teacher.
the truth, ha?
Yeah, I accept the truth. And now, let me know, what's your theme song with your girlfriend, your fiancé?
For me.
Yes.
For me and my girlfriend.
Yes, yes.
May I know the reason why?
No, the theme song, because I want to play the song because she's texting right now.
I think we have to start the month with something like this.
Yes.
It's a love month.
Yeah,
So,
love one.
Oh, this is also my special gift to Papa Bear, my personally.
Oh, okay.
This is the song, my favorite song.
What's that?
Me and my girlfriend.
yeah.
What's the title?
I asked already.
What?
All My Life by ACIN.
All My Life?
Jojo. Okay. So, do you have any message for your girlfriend who's listening right now?
She's listening right now.
Okay.
Go,
Okay,
talk to her,
ganito.
talk to her.
While you are talking, we play the song for you and for your girlfriend. Okay?
And thank
Okay.
you for coming over.
Thank you so much. We're
Yeah.
so glad and happy and we're jumping.
Okay, we'll let you go na kasi Doc F is here.
Yeah.
The doctor is in.
Yeah, I see the doctor, very handsome also.
Go ahead, your message and your message. Wala na. Go ahead.
This is my message to my special someone in my life. Thanks for coming in my life. I love you very much. And hopefully we will be forever and ever. Not amen.
You're listening? You're listening?
You're listening this song. This is a special song that I give to you.
Yeah.
Only here we are listening in Barangay LS 97.1. Ayos. Ayos yun. I will never find another lover. She loving you.